Hello everyone, so let's see what are in the cards for you all today. So okay, it's a beautiful card, sun card, a bright day, a day with all beautiful things, bright happenings, so energetic day. In fact, today if you have planned something, that will also work in your favor. Morning if possible. Maybe you all must be wondering, every day she keeps giving us some remedies or the other, every day she keeps troubling us, but whenever I do a reading, if I feel guided, then I feel okay, I should just tell you all to do this. That's the reason I'm saying you all, if possible today, just stand under the sun for just a couple of minutes, look at the sun and thank the sun, because I want you all to show gratitude towards the sun, because if the sun is not there, then somewhere the energy is the main vitamin of our body is missing. So thank the sun. If you're a person who gets up late, it's okay, not an issue, because even I get up very late, and then whenever I get a chance to meet this, and I'm like, oh my god, today I saw the sun, and then I thank the sun. So but if you are a early person who gets up early, then look at the sun and thank it, just for 2-3 seconds. Thank it that it has given you the opportunity to be bright. It has given you all the necessary necessary energies and vitamins to lead a healthy life. Also, if possible today, pour some water in front of the sun, giving it gratitude in that way. More like a Surya Namaskar we cannot do. Some of us can't do Surya Namaskar. If you can do a Surya Namaskar, fine, or else offer some water to the sun. But overall, I feel today is going to be a beautiful day for you all. So just smile, things are all in your favor. Okay. Bring love into situation. So today is a bright day, I said. So bring the day with love, not only self-love. Love yourself, love everyone around you, and I'm sure the day is going to love you. So maybe self-love is something here. I feel I don't see this as loving others. Self-love is what I feel here, because when I see this lady, I feel she's surrounding herself with love. So give self-love. Possible carry a rose quartz. Possible have a bath with rose water added to your bathing water for love energies to enhance, and the day is all yours. Let's see. Okay, this is for your love. It says, you make me feel alive. Today, if you have a partner, if you're married, then buy a rose and go and give it to your partner. If you're a male member, if you're a female, buy something or cook something for your partner, and you see how. But you should cook something which the partner likes and not what you like. Okay, or gift him something and see how the relationship blossoms to the next level, because I feel today you should do that. And if you are not married, if you're not in love, then do something for your parents today. Maybe a small token of love, a small gift, or a small gesture. Do something which they love, and you will see their blessings come in your life 100-folds. Okay, so let's see what the blessing card has in store for you. Blessing for a fresh start. So I feel things are becoming brighter, a lot of new things are coming in your life, a lot of good things are coming in your life, and I feel soon, very very soon, you will start seeing such good and beautiful changes. For those who have been waiting for the change to happen, the change is going to happen, and it's going to happen very very soon. So stay blessed, all of you all. Have a bright day ahead. Plan your finances and everything today, because whatever you plan today is going to be in your favor.